In this screencast, we're going to learn how to create a new meeting in Microsoft Teams, as well as joining a meeting in Microsoft Teams. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the Microsoft Teams desktop app installed on your Mac or your PC. The desktop app provides more features than the browser version. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and launch Microsoft Teams. When you are signed in, you'll notice in the upper right corner, it should say your name, Center College of Kentucky, and you can tell that you're signed in. On the left side, if you click on the calendar button, this will take you to your calendar. Microsoft Teams calendar system is integrated with Outlook. When you're ready to create a new meeting, go ahead and go to the calendar date, and you can click on the day and highlight down. You can also click on the new meeting button in the upper right corner. If I highlight down, it opens up a new window that allows me to put in my meeting details. I can choose the length and time. I can add a location. In this open box below, you can type in the details. And if I wanted to add my colleagues to attend this meeting with me, I can go ahead where it says Add Required Attendees and start typing their names. It should pull from the center directory. Once you have your colleagues added, you can choose if you want this to be a reoccurring meeting or if it doesn't repeat. And then the channels we're going to skip right now, and we'll discuss that at a later date. When you're ready to send your meeting invite, if you click on the send button in the upper right corner, it will send a message to your colleagues where they can accept or reject the invite. If you realize that you need to add more people to your meeting request, you can come back to the meeting date, click on it, and choose Edit. When you choose Edit, you can go ahead and add other colleagues, and then click on the Send Update button. When your meeting date is here and you're ready to launch your meeting, go to the date, and when you click on your meeting, you can click on the Join button. If you were doing this for a class, you would then have a link that you can copy and paste in Moodle. If you wanted to invite people without adding them in the required attendees list, you can click over on the details and use this hyperlink to copy and paste that in a separate message. The invite feature with inviting your colleagues is a really nice feature because they can tentatively accept, they can reject, or they can accept. And then when they go to their Outlook or their Microsoft Teams app, they will see down below a link that says click here to join meeting. For more information about Microsoft Teams or other technology tips, check out our website at ctl.center.edu.